How to get the manta ray from
Get
Crimean Ocean
Manifest ko
plush
manta
pendant
ray.
series.
Nag-work po ang shake test. Nag-work ang shake test. Look at that. Hi guys, we're going to be unboxing the new Cry Baby Crimean Ocean Plush Pendant. So medyo nahirapan akong kunin to. Like I visited Popmart 4 times para ako nang makuha ng my stuff. Pero ayun, ang gusto ko sa kanila is the manta ray. Second would be the pufferfish and then the shark. Shake test ako kasi diba, medyo mahaba ang manta ray. So dapat yung clearance na konti lang dito. So ni-shake ko siya. Sana tama yung ginawa ko. I hope that I get the manta ray. And I'm in the onion right now. So, alam mo yun, sa beach na sea creature. So, see which one we get. Na-manifest ko siya. Na-manifest ko ang manta ray. Nag-work po ang shake test. Nag-work ang shake test. Look at that. I like her because meron siyang glasses. Perfect for the beach. Oh my God! Yay!